Hi, this is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. From the last video, we understood the structure and synthesis of anthracene. The link is available in the description below this video. Watch it. In this lesson, I would like to discuss the chemical reactions and medicinal uses of anthracene. At the end of this lesson, you should understand the chemical reactions such as nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, oxidation, reduction, dimerization, and Diels-Alder reaction. And lastly, the medicinal uses of anthracene. The structure and the positions, that is the numbering system in anthracene, are designated by numbers as shown in the structure. Like naphthalene, anthracene is classified as aromatic on the basis of its properties. Consideration of atomic orbital follows the same pattern as for naphthalene and leads to the same kind of picture, that is a flat structure with partially overlapping pi clouds lying above and below the plane of the molecule. In terms of valence bonds, anthracene is considered to be one of the 4 hybrid structures as described in the last video. Anthracene is a colorless solid. It melts at 218 degrees centigrade and boils at 340 degrees centigrade. Anthracene is insoluble in water but dissolves in benzene. It shows a strong blue fluorescence when exposed to UV light. This fluorescent property of anthracene is used in criminal detection work, since a small amount of finely powdered anthracene on clothing, skin, currency, etc. is not detected under ordinary light but easily noticed when exposed to UV light. The main chemical reactions of anthracene are described here. Electrophilic substitution reactions include nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Other reactions include oxidation, reduction, dimerization, and Diels-Alder reaction. Coming to the electrophilic substitution reactions. Much of the chemistry of anthracene is associated with the special character of the central fragment of the system. Anthracene undergoes electrophilic substitution and addition reactions. All these reactions preferentially occur at 9 and 10 positions of carbon atoms. Attack at C9 yields a carbonium ion intermediate in which 2 benzene rings are retained, whereas attack at C1 or C2 yields an intermediate in which a naphthalene system is retained. The intermediate in which the terminal benzene rings are retained is more stable and its formation favored because the resonance energy of 2 benzene rings, that is 2 into 36 is equal to 72 kilocalories, which exceeds that of naphthalene that has 61 kilocalories. This carbonium ion intermediate can lose a proton to give the corresponding substitution product, or it can react with a nucleophile to form the 9,10 addition product. Thus, the aromatic sextet is retained in 2 benzene rings, which stabilizes the system due to the high resonance energy. The letter E in the given structures represent as electrophile and NU represents a nucleophile. Nitration reaction. Anthracene undergoes nitration with concentrated nitric acid in acetic anhydride at room temperature to yield a mixture of anthracenes, namely 9-nitroanthracene and 9,10-dinitroanthracene. The usual nitrating mixture, that is nitric acid and sulfuric acid solution, is not used because it leads to the formation of 9,10-anthraquinone by oxidation. Sulfonation reaction. Anthracene undergoes sulfonation with concentrated sulfuric acid yield a mixture of 1 anthracene sulfonic acid and 2 anthracene sulfonic acid. At lower temperatures, 1 anthracene sulfonic acid is the major product, whereas at higher temperatures, 2 anthracene sulfonic acid is the major product. Halogenation. Aromatic carbon-carbon double bonds normally react with electrophiles by substitution rather than addition, because addition would result in the loss of the aromatic stabilization energy. If the product of addition is itself strongly stabilized, addition can compete with substitution. For example, anthracene react with chlorine in carbon tetrachloride at room temperature to give 9,10-dichloro 9,10-dihydroanthracene, which is an addition product. Further heating of this compound, it loses a molecule of hydrogen chloride by 1,4 elimination to form 9-chloroanthracene, that is a substitution product. In an alternate method, 9-chloroanthracene may also be obtained by chlorinating anthracene at 100 degrees centigrade or by treating anthracene with cupric chloride in carbon tetrachloride solution. They are useful intermediates for the preparation of certain 9-substituted anthracenes. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation can be catalyzed by some inorganic Lewis acidic catalysts, of which aluminum chloride has the highest catalytic activity. In order to compare, the acylation of anthracene with acetyl chloride is carried out with equivalent aluminum chloride as a catalyst, and benzene or dichloromethane, which is a non-polar solvent, is used to produce 9-acetyl anthracene. In another reaction, nitrobenzene, which is a polar solvent, is used to obtain 1-acetyl anthracene. Other reactions include oxidation, reduction, dimerization, and Diels-Alder reaction that occur at 9-10 positions of anthracene. Oxidation. The oxidation of anthracene in acetic acid with air in the presence of small proportions of nitric acid produces high quality anthraquinone with acceptable yields. Anthracene is less resistant toward oxidation than naphthalene. Anthracene undergoes oxidation with sodium dichromate and sulfuric acid to form 9,10-anthraquinone. Other oxidizing agents like nitric acid and air in the presence of vanadium pentoxide lead to the formation of 9,10-anthraquinone. Reduction. Reduction of anthracene with alkali metals yields the deeply colored radical anion salts. Hydrogenation gives 9,10-dihydroanthracene, preserving the aromaticity of the two flanking rings. Attack at the 9 and 10 positions leaves two benzene rings intact. Thus, there is a sacrifice of only 12 kilocalories of resonance energy for anthracene. Anthracene undergoes reduction with sodium and ethyl alcohol to form 9,10-dihydroanthracene. Catalytic reduction using nickel as a catalyst at 225 degrees centigrade first gives 9,10-dihydroanthracene, and on continued hydrogenation this is converted into 1,2,3,4 tetrahydroanthracene and 1,2,3,4,5,6,7,8 octahydroanthracene. Notice that the 9,10 hydrogen atoms migrate to the neighboring ring. Dimerization. Dimerization is an addition reaction in which two molecules of the same compound react with each other to give the adduct. Anthracene dimerizes by the action of UV light and xylene to produce dianthracene or para-anthracene. This reaction is also known as cycloaddition reaction. And the last reaction is Diels-Alder reaction. The dienic character of the central ring is illustrated by the reaction of anthracene with dienophiles in Diels-Alder reactions. For example, maleic anhydride, which is a dienophile, reacts readily with anthracene, that is a diene, at 140 degrees centigrade to generate a benzene that leads to the formation of tryptizene, which is a Diels-Alder adduct. Medicinal uses of anthracene. Anthracene is used in the artificial production of the red dye alizarin. It is used in the manufacture of anthraquinone, a precursor to dyes. Derivatives of anthraquinone are important as dyestuffs for the coloration of a variety of fabrics. It is also used in wood preservatives, insecticides, and coating materials. These are the selected references followed for preparing this lecture. This is the end of the lesson Chemical Reactions and Medicinal Uses of Anthracene. In the next lecture, we learn the structure and synthesis of phenanthrene. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.